What do you do when you want to find something on the internet? You search for it, right? And then you click on one of the links on the first page of the search results. In fact, more than 90% visitors will behave exactly the same way. Ever wonder how those web pages at the top of your search results got there? It's because they were search engine optimized. Exactly how search engines work is a closely guarded secret.
Today, 94% of consumers and businesses search the internet before buying a new product or service. They submit their keywords for search and get a list of relevant websites in return. People tend to visit websites that are at the top of these lists because they appear to be more relevant to their search. Most find their competitors at the top of these lists. Studies show that if your website is not at the top of these lists, you'll never reach your customers online. If you've ever wondered why your competitors' rank is better than yours, then know it's because of a marketing technique called SEO. SEO means search engine optimization. This technique helps your site rank higher than the millions of other sites in response to certain keywords when searched. The search engine system collects information about every page on the web and can help people find exactly what they're looking for. When your page gets higher rankings, it helps more people to find you. To get higher rankings, your website must have all the ingredients that search engines are looking for. This is where SEO can help. SEO looks for text, contents, links, page titles, and other pieces of relevant information contained in the HTML code of your website.
You may have a website, but the web is a huge place and it's growing every day. That's why people need search engines to find anything. If you're not in the top positions for the right search terms, then it's hard for potential customers to find you. And there are no shortcuts to improving your rankings. Search engines are getting better and better at spotting cheaters. We do things differently. First, we'll get to know your brand, your audience, and your market. And we'll create a strategy to get the search engines working for you. Then, while you focus on your business, we'll make sure your website has the technical foundations to succeed in search. We'll use our expertise to track your competitors, spot trends, and pinpoint the search terms your audience are actually using. With this wisdom, we'll give the search engines exactly what they need to make you visible and drive more leads to your site. However, the web is always evolving, and without expert help, it's easy to get left behind. But with our up-to-date knowledge, we'll strengthen your position and help you build on it.
To get more business, your website has to be on the first page of all the major search engines for the specific keywords that are relevant to your potential customers. Without SEO, your site will never be found online by your customers. In today's competitive world, you need solid SEO techniques to get your site to the top of the search results. We are experts in SEO. We help businesses become more visible on the internet.